In this tutorial series, I am basically going to teach you how to develop an MP4 video editor in JavaScript. So before we dive into the code, let me show you a demo. This is my video editor. The website link is www.amois.com/videoeditor.html. I will paste the website link in the resources. Okay. So this is basically a video editor. Okay. So let me show you a demo. Let me select a file. This one. It is loading and decoding. Now we have a 684 seconds of video. Okay. Now let me play 0 to 10 second. As you can see, the video is start playing. Okay, and it will automatically stop at 10. Okay, so this is basically a video editor. Now let me trim. We have a 684 second of video. Now if I trim 10 second, the 674 second video will remain. Okay, now let me cut 0 to 20 second. Okay, let me cut. We will have a 20 second of video when we cut. Okay, so now we have a 20 second of video. Okay, so now let me generate a waveform 0 to 20 second. As you can see, you can generate a waveform. You can generate multiple waveforms. You can select the waveform. You can select the waveform. You can copy waveform and you can paste it here. Okay. You can add other files to the waveform, audio files, not video files. Okay. So this is basically a small demo. Okay. So let me give you some idea that I am currently using audio to generate a waveform. Generating a a timeline of a video will be your assignment. Okay, you will do your assignment to generate a timeline for a video file. This is basically a waveform of an audio file. Okay, the other features like trimming and cutting, I am applying these feature on audio and video as well. But when I generate waveform, it will only generate the waveform of the audio file, not the video file. Okay, so the generating a timeline of a video file is your assignment.